As we age, maintaining a strong and lasting erection can be a challenge due to weakening veins. This product targets this very issue, strengthening the veins and enhancing the function with the power of diasmin. Diasmin is the flavin glucoside derived from the citrus fruits. Renowned for its antioxidant, anti-hyperglycemic, anti-inflammatory, anti-mutagenic, and anti-ulcer properties, diasmin has been the focus of extensive research demonstrating its efficacy in enhancing venous tone and overall vascular health, crucial for maintaining a strong and lasting erection. Stick until the end to learn more about diasmin and their amazing properties. This product is a powerful blend of botanical extracts that's shown to promote a healthy microcirculation and support of vascular strength and tone. There are 4 important ingredients in this amazing product that work synergistically to support and reinforce your veins. The muscles of the blood vessels need to receive a constant stimulation to maintain a resting level of contraction. This phenomenon known as the vasomotor tone. Vasoconstriction, whether it's due to an increase in venous wall strength or by mechanical strength, is sufficient to cause an increase in vasomotor tone. Narrowing blood vessels lead to reduction of the blood flow supply and consequently a reduction of oxygen supply to various organs and tissues. So the first ingredient of this amazing product is troxyrutin. Troxyrutin helps to protect veins. It increases the venous tone, increases the vascular resistance, and reduces vascular permeability. From there, it helps to treat diseases caused by impaired function of the veins. The second important ingredient is the horse chestnut extract. Well, research suggests that this particular extract has very strong anti-inflammatory properties, and it protects the lining of the veins. This may reduce the leakage of the blood plasma and prevent swelling. Additionally, it may improve the tone of the veins and their ability to contract efficiently. The horse chestnut is an effective natural remedy that comes from the seeds of the majestic tree. It's known as its ability to enhance the blood circulation in the body in general. Good circulation is crucial because it enhances the blood flow not only through the veins but also through the rest of your body, and it prevents different conditions. You understand, proper blood flow is not only important for overall health, but it also plays a significant role in man's sexual wellness. For men, having a healthy blood circulation is the key to achieving and maintaining a strong erection. So the way horse chestnut works is by supporting the veins to make sure they function well. This is especially helpful for those experiencing poor blood flow, a very common issue with aging, right? However, it's essential to use the horse chestnut correctly. Although it's beneficial, like any other natural remedy, it needs to be approached with the care and understanding. If you are considering using the horse chestnut, especially if you're having existing health concerns or any medication that you're taking on a regular basis, please talk to your healthcare professional first. The third crucial ingredient is gotu kola extract. Several studies suggest that gotu kola may help reduce swelling and improve blood flow. Some traditional uses of gotu kola include reduction of anxiety, enhancing sexual potency, healing wounds, as well as boosting energy level and lowering blood pressure. Now let's talk about the main ingredient, diasmin extract. Diasmin is the flavonoid, as I said, most commonly found in the citrus fruits. First isolated years ago in 1925, it has been used since 1969 as a natural therapy to treat various conditions such as hemorrhoids, varicose veins, blood clots, venous insufficiency, leg ulcers, and other circulatory issues. It helps to reduce inflammation and restore normal blood flow in people with venous insufficiencies, a condition in which blood flow is impaired, making veins stronger and preventing venous leakage. Now that you know about VesselMax, you may be wondering, why are we including this product in our erectile enhancement program? The answer lies in the vital role of veins that play in the erection itself. As we age, common issue for many men faces venous insufficiency and leakage. This means that even when you achieve an erection, it can be a challenge to maintain that erection long enough for sexual activity. Who's to blame? Well, the weak, leaky veins is the problem for the penis. That's where VesselMax steps in. It works to reduce inflammation and swelling in your vein walls, making them stronger and more resilient. This enhancement not only aids in maintaining the blood in the penis until the ejaculation, but also contributes to achieving a prolonged, robust erection itself. If you're interested in learning more about this particular product or exploring other options with our Rebalance Erectile Enhancement Program, please visit our website at rebalanceny.com and schedule a consultation at our New York clinic.